this is Gayle from Bernina of Naperville, and happy April, everybody. That's right, it's April 1st today, and we are so excited to deliver you this fantastic news. We are down to our last cave here at Bernina of Naperville. It's the 770 Plus Quilters Edition with embroidery and all the accoutrements. But we were so lucky to be one of a very few amount of dealers to actually get the special edition in the special edition. And what that is a left-handed machine. The market research has shown that there are more left-handed quilters than any other crafting industry. And so Bernina, with all of their knowledge, put together a machine just for left-handers, but it was kind of like tested, so they decided to not put it out everywhere. So they just packed select boxes of the caves with left-hander machines, and we got one, and I just can't wait to show you how to use it. Now, first of all, what you can notice is that over here on the left, all of the touchscreen stuff has been mirrored, so it makes me super easy to select the stitches. I also can use my dominant left hand to glide the fabric very nicely right through the machine. And you know, I'm always feeling like I'm in a topsy-turvy world because most general domestic sewing machines require that I have to use my non-dominant hand, which is my right hand. So look at how awesome I am with my left hand now. I can do all kinds of stuff like sewing, perfect 1/4-inch seam, the whole bit. And that's right, you can even use the foot control on this cave with your left foot. Or you can still use your right foot and use your left leg to operate the freehand system. I mean, I can't believe that nobody's thought about this before. So don't hesitate to contact us or contact your local Bernina dealer to see if they've received a special cave left-handers edition. And also, you might say that our last cave special edition is our last cave left. All right, well, if you want to see more videos like this one or others where we actually tell the truth, don't forget to check out our Bernina of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/Bernina of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Happy April Fools.